Mole and the baby bird. Question of the week. How can we look at things in a different way? Mole had found a baby bird. It had fallen out of its nest. Mole waited and waited, but no big bird came to help it. So Mole took the baby bird home. He made a nest for it. Look, he said to his mother. It's very hard to take care of the baby bird, he said. They usually die, said his dad. My bird won't die, said Mole. His friend helped him find food for the baby bird. His mother showed him how to feed it. Mole fed, and wherever it chirped. And the bird didn't die. It grew. It's my pet bird, said Mole. It's not a pet bird. It's a wild bird, said his mother. The bird fluttered his wings. Your bird is trying to fly, said his mother. No, cried Mole. It mustn't fly. Mole found some wood and some nails. He borrowed his dad's toolbox. What are you making? Asked his dad. I'm making a cage for my pet bird, said Mole. It's not a pet bird. It's a wild bird, said his dad. You should let it fly. No, cried Mole. He put his bird into his new cage. The bird was sad. Mole's mother said too, but Mole kept bird because he loved it. Then Granddad came to visit. He looked at the mole pet bird. Presently, Granddad said, Let's go for a walk, little Mole. Granddad took Mole to the top of the high hill. Mole looked down the trees and far below. He felt wild wind and trying to lift him. Whee! I'm flying! Cried Mole. Nearly, said Granddad. When Mole got home, he looked at his bird. It was sitting very still in its cage. In Mole's dark underground room. Birds are meant to fly, said Mole. He opened the cage door and he let his bird fly away because he loved it. Then he cried. When the next day Mole went out into the forest, he saw his bird flying, soaring free. Mole was glad. The end. Bye-bye.
It's been a long time.